In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to remove this microwave and its trim plate from the wall cabinet. This allows you to access the internal components such as the logic board, the fuse, maybe even the latch components. And the key part is how to get the top and side panel removed, which is a little bit tricky if you haven't done it before. But one thing that's really important here is to remember that the inside of this microwave is a high voltage capacitor. You want to be really careful working around those. They are very dangerous, and if you're not comfortable doing that, it's better to call a qualified technician. The first step is to remove the 4 screws that are holding the frame of the trim kit to the front of the microwave, and they're just 4 screws. There's 2 on the bottom, there's 2 on the top. Just unscrew those and pull it off. It's plastic, it comes right off. And then there are 4 screws on the base of the frame in which the microwave sits. And you just unscrew those and the microwave will slide right out. One thing that's important though is when you are taking out the microwave is to remember that there are these 4 tabs. There's 2 here shown, and when you put it on a counter or you put it on a table or on the floor, those tabs are pointing downward and will scratch the surface of any surface you put it on. So put it on a towel and then have the front edge of the microwave hanging over the edge as I've done here on the countertop. Now move on to the back of the microwave. There are these Torx screws that are security screws, and they have a little center pin to prevent you from using regular Torx bits on it. These are tamper-resistant Torx or tamper-resistant star bit sets. They're a little bit special. They're not very expensive. They're under $10 on Amazon. I'll put a link below. They look like this. They have Torx tips that have a hollowed out center of the tip. And all you do is just use them like a regular Torx set and unscrew the screws. Once those are all out, then you can pull off the cover of the microwave. But to do that, you can't just lift it up. You actually have to, as you can see, I'm trying to lift it up and it won't work. So what you have to do is pull it backward away from the face of the microwave and it snaps right off. The key part of this is that the edge looks like this. This is what's holding on to the front edge of the microwave. It's kind of like a big binder clip. Just pull it straight back and that will come off. If this video helped you, the best way to thank me is to comment, like, or subscribe. Thanks.